Oh my god, I see it. There's two. They're different. Look, they're different. Holy crap, they're different than the ones I've ever seen. This is a lot of. I feel like I would remember this plant. Like I feel like I might have seen this plant before, but I don't know. It seems like easy to remember. And then look at this cactus. This cactus is just totally gone. So it's very strange because it's like pointing. It's obviously pointing towards some kind of changes. Some changes appear to be occurring. Oh yeah, because also these cicadas. These cicadas are black, and they sound like way crazier.